Hello everyone and welcome back to the another video. Today we will be creating a basketball using revolve, cell and swept feature in SolidWorks. We will walk through each step together, so let's get started. First, we need to set the unit system for our design document. We will be using the MMGS unit system where length is measured in millimeter, mass in gram and time in second. Click on the unit system area and select MMGS. The tick mark indicates that this unit system is now active. We will begin by creating a sketch for the base feature, the first or parent feature of our model. Activate the sketch tool and select front plane as the sketching plane. You are now in the sketching environment. Activate circle tool and draw a circle here. Activate midpoint line and draw it vertically here. Activate trim entities tool and select this unwanted part to be trimmed. Select smart dimensions tool and set the radius of the circle to 62.5 mm. Exit the sketch. Go to the feature. Activate revolve base tool. Preview appears. Set the direction angle as 180 degree. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the revolve feature. Now activate the sketch tool. Select this face as the sketching plane. Activate the midpoint line tool and draw one horizontal followed by a vertical line like this. Activate center rectangle tool and draw it here. Select these two lines with Ctrl key and apply equal relations to them. Activate 3-point arc tool and select this as a first point, second here, and third one needs to be here. Activate smart dimensions tool and set the radius as 50 mm. Select these 4 lines one by one with Ctrl key and go here. Select for constructions options. Activate mirror entities tool. Select this mirror about option and select this line. You can see the preview. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of mirror entities. Exit the sketch from here. Go to the feature, then to the curves. Click on this arrow. Select split line. Select previously created sketch and then activate this. Select this face. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of a split line. Again, go to the curve. Click on this arrow. Select composite curve. Select these two lines one by one. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of composite curve. Again, go to the curves. Click on this arrow. Then select composite curve. Select these two lines one by one. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of the composite curve. One more time. Go here. Click on this arrow. Select composite curve. Select these 4 lines one by one. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of composite curve. And for the last one, go again to the curves. Click on this arrow. Select composite curve. Select these 2 lines one by one. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of composite curve. Activate the swept cut tool. Go here and select circular profile. Select this composite curve and set 3 mm as the diameter. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of swept feature. Again, activate the swept cut tool. Go here, select circular profile Select this composite curve and set 3 mm as diameter. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of swept feature. One more time, activate the swept cut tool. Go here, select circular profile, select this composite curve and set 3 mm as diameter. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of swept feature. One last time, activate the swept cut tool. Here, select circular profile, select this composite curve and set 3 mm as diameter. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of swept feature. Go here and hide all composite curves like this. Now, we will remove the material using cell feature. Activate the cell tool, select this face and set the thickness as 7 mm. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of cell feature. Now, we will mirror all these features. Activate the mirror tool, select this face as the mirroring plane. Activate this feature to mirror option. And then select this and last one with the shift key. You can see all got selected and preview appears. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of mirrored feature. Now, to complete this, we have to change the appearance to make it look real. Select all of these faces with Ctrl key. All of these one by one. Then activate appearance tool, then select face. Open this appearance library, scroll down, then open fabric, then cloth. Select canvas, double click, go here and select this color. We can modify it to look more better. And now, click on the green tick mark to confirm the change in appearance. Here, it looks like this. Then again, select all of these faces one by one. Now, activate appearance tool, select face. Open this appearance library, scroll down, open fabric, select cloth, then select canvas. Go here, select black color, click on the green tick mark to confirm the change in appearance. Ctrl 7 for isometric view. Now, we will write some text. Select right plane, then activate the sketch tool, activate centerline tool, and draw a center line like this. Activate sketch text tool, select this line as curve, go here and activate text option. We can write some text here like CADArtifex, CADArtifex. Click on this. Here, uncheck this. Click on font. Write 10 as a font size. Click OK. Click on the green tick mark. Exit the sketch. Click on this arrow. Select split line. Select this sketch. Activate this. And then select this face. Click on the green tick mark. Click here. Activate appearance tool. Select split line. Open this appearance library. Click on this black color. Click on the green tick mark to confirm. Ctrl 7 for isometric view. And that's it. You have now created a basketball model in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.